In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Smartsheet dashboards with metric widgets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, data-driven dashboard that highlights the numbers that matter most. Start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, begin a new build by selecting Start a New Project, Program, or Process. This opens the creation experience where Smartsheet offers curated templates by role, including options for company management. Templates can be a great head start if you want pre-built pages and sample metrics. For this walkthrough, though, we'll keep things simple and start from scratch so you see each choice along the way. Choose a new workspace as your starting point. A workspace keeps your dashboard and its related sheets organized in one place, which makes permissions and maintenance much easier down the road. With the workspace ready, select Dashboard as the item you want to create. This gives you a blank canvas where we'll place widgets that display your key information. Open the dashboard and click Get Started to enter edit mode. Then choose Add Widget. Smartsheet provides several widget types. Pick Metric. Metric widgets are perfect for spotlighting KPIs like totals, completion rates, or budget figures because they pull a specific value directly from your data. Click Add Data to connect the widget to a source. You can choose a sheet, a report, or a sheet summary. Pick the source that contains the exact fields you want to display and confirm your selection. Next, select the details you want shown. Drag to highlight the cell or range that holds your metric. If your KPI lives in a single summary field, that's ideal for a clean, single value display. When you've got the right selection, click OK. Now refine how the widget looks and behaves. Use the layout options to change how the metric is presented. Single value for a bold KPI or a small grid if you're surfacing a few related numbers. Adjust formatting so the data is clear. Number style, percentage, currency, and alignment all help readability, especially on busy dashboards. Give the widget a concise, descriptive title so viewers immediately understand what they're seeing. Titles like Open Tickets, On-Time Delivery Rate, or Current Pipeline work well. Finally, set the widget behavior. Decide what should happen when someone clicks the metric. Open the underlying sheet, jump to a specific report, or simply do nothing. Make sure the target is accessible to your audience to avoid permission issues. That's it. You've created a Smartsheet dashboard, added a metric widget, connected it to your data, and tailored its layout, title, and behavior. Repeat the process to add more KPIs, arrange them into a logical layout, and you'll have a clear, trustworthy dashboard your stakeholders can rely on.